Guys, so welcome back to another exciting video. Now today we have Auntie Moya and we have Nala here. So we are gonna do our little cook-off. Not really cook-off, we're doing a bake-off today. Yes, so we have basic ingredients.
She has basic ingredients. I have bashment ingredients.
We have a basic ingredients that we're going to start with. So we're going, both of us going, we have this to start with. So this is the Betty Crocker Super Moist White. So it's a plain cake, and then each of us, what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to make it creative. So at the end of it all, we're gonna be judged on creativity and taste. JRC, we don't know yet, but he's the one who's going to come when he wake up and judge based on creativity and taste and so. So Moya, what kind of stuff do you have to put in your cake?
Well, first of all, this is more than just a cake, it's an experience. Let's start there. So in my experience, we're gonna take you on a chocolate journey. Not only is it, we're gonna play on all of the comfort vibe. I'm really into like getting comfortable right now. So that's what we'll be playing on. So we have mini M&Ms, we have Devon chocolate digestive, because these are my childhood favorite. If you grew up in Jamaica, you know exactly what I'm talking about. They changed the recipe, no cap, I can taste the difference, but we're just gonna, maybe I have like a more adult palate now, whatever. We have Oreos, Kawabuji. We have Rice Krispie treats, don't know where we're gonna put this yet. It's gonna be a surprise to both you and me. We have Chips Ahoy mini cookies, right? And then I have marshmallows. We have 2 different types of icing, and we have some sprinkles. That's on my section. Now Yannick is gonna tell you her basic ingredients.
So on my side of the things, we're gonna do, I have cones. I have a cone, set of cones here. Should be interesting.
I'm gonna
I have Pop-Tarts here.
Careful.
What I'm gonna make, and I have chocolate syrup here, and I have Lion Prize rum, overproof rum. So what I'm going to make a strawberry lemon rum cake, and then I'm going to do all the fantastics. So here I have my artificial.
Yeah.
So here I have my artificial strawberry flavoring, and it goes with the red dye. And here I have my lemon. I have my artificial lemon flavor, and it goes with the green dye here. And I'm also going to use marshmallow and sprinkles and the stuff that are here. So hopefully everything goes good. We are gonna get started. You guys will see footage of what we're doing at various points. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright, so Maya, can you tell us what you're doing?
Not gonna tell you a joke. So what we're gonna do, both our hands are washed. We're gonna prep some of our stuff, because what we are doing is a chocolate cookie and cream type of inspo. So what I'm gonna do first, as I said, we have already washed our hands. We're in a COVID bubble, so like all of us are there together. I'm gonna put the pieces that Nala is gonna eat over here, because we want to separate the cream from the cookie. Watch her face, she gets to eat cream.
What do you talk about that, Nuts? What do you think about the recent thing with the man of God, prophet man Jackson, what name? Derek Jackson, and his wife story?
I think we didn't need one more reason for the world to be like rolling their eyes at us. Just, I always try to tell people, don't live in a way where you're high and mighty, because I gather that his whole brand is that he doesn't do that or whatever. And if you know that's what you're doing, just go without. Go.
His brand is relationship, and he has been telling people to be faithful and telling people to black men don't cheat and all kind of things. And if you're getting a divorce, don't go in a relationship, all kind of things. He's a relationship expert, so
he said that if you're getting a divorce, don't go in a relationship.
Yeah.
I just say practice what you preach. So if like you're gonna be that person, then you need to make people know that what advice you're giving them it can be sustained. from what I'm hearing, it sounds like it's a habitual thing. So he may need counseling. He may need himself. He needs to watch his own videos, is what I'm hearing. And apply it. So
Yeah.
I have taken away the knife and I am just doing it very barbarian. Alright. I'll take the batter. I'm gonna put my cookies in there. Alright, there's gonna be a bonus thing soon. You'll get that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just mix her around. As you can see, gives me the whole cookie and cream vibe. Ta-da! Minimal effort. Bashment cake. Then let me try to do this so you can see. Everybody is responsible for their own relationship. Everybody's responsible for making their own decisions. That's what I have with regards to the wife. So if she wants to stay, she must know what she do, because I don't know if I would encourage her to. But if she wants to, then she can live her best life. That's my thing on it. I don't know why it's taking so much, why I'm getting so much clout. I'm wondering, a part of me wants to wonder if he did this for some publicity stunt, which is not like beyond people to do that. So I don't know if that was something. I'm trying to get all of the cake out, guys, because I just saw my girl. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put some chocolate in there. And so how I'm gonna do it, I'm going to just do a big circle and then a bigger circle. Okay? With this now, take a fork, start at the thing, and I'm gonna push these. It's not working, but what was supposed to happen is that I actually want, when we cut into the cake,
Like you see chocolate?
like you see chocolate in the cake. Hopefully it works. This is a whole mess now. I should have probably done something like this.
That's pretty.
It is not, but okay. Oh, girl, you do it for your mama, not for me.
So now we are gonna do my portion. Could you stop making that sound? So we are gonna do. So guys, we're gonna do my portion now. So remember, as I said before, we're doing two types of, like we're doing a combination cake. We're doing a
Now let's stop.
we're doing a strawberry lemonade rum cake. So I have my butters, I separated them, so I have 1 cup of butter in one and 1 cup of butter in the other, right? So what I'm gonna do first is I am gonna add a cork. This is not measured, so I'm gonna add a cork of the overproof rum into the butter, just 1 cup in each, right? And then I'm gonna stir it up. You want to stir for mama?
Ingredients and counter was washed before they done this thing.
I'm doing it.
Okay, mama, stop now. Make it up like so. Hold on. Now, hold on.
Let mommy do the
This
next
one.
one now, Nala. You had your turn.
Alright, can mommy do this?
Nala, you had your turn. Mommy's turn.
So just mixing it around, guys, just to ensure that it saturates everything in the cake, alright? Guys, so we're going to use this is the artificial lemon extract.
I just wanted to know Nala is currently eating off the
That's fine.
cake batter
So-
with the rum.
In this one, we're gonna add the lemon flavor. So
You're
we're
just
gonna
moving.
add around three of the little cups that way. Yeah. Don't use the measuring thing, and just to add the color of the lemon, I'm gonna add 2 cups.
Lemon is not green, that's lime.
Yeah.
Are you ignoring me?
Yeah. Alright, so if you take a closer look, you can come and look. It looks like this. So we're gonna mix it. So you're gonna help mommy? You wanna do it? Alright, do it.
I'm doing it.
I know.
It's turning green.
It's turning green.
Mommy doing
Okay, baby.
Okay, mommy turn.
Hold
Mommy
on.
turn now, Nala.
Mommy,
So no, hold on, Bam Bam, hold on.
I'm going to taste the
No, I'm not tasting anything yet.
Alright, so guys, I'm trying to make.
Oh, that's a nice pastel green.
I'm just trying to ensure that it's properly mixed.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, I think so too. Just ensuring that
I
it's.
might lose, guys. It's just what I'm saying.
Well, maybe not. When it comes
This
to
is
the
cute.
decor.
Let's talk about, since we're on green, let's talk about jealousy, right? Do you think there's something called like healthy jealousy in a relationship?
Honestly, don't feel no way. Like, I don't think that J.R. gonna run off with no girl. Oops. Cause the thing small, guys. I honestly don't think that J.R. gonna run off with no girl or nothing like that. But there are some 1 and 2 instances where I go, kind of watch the thing there, kind of watch the talk there, because me not too gonna look safe, you know.
Unsafe how? So you think like
we-
you can be honestly not interested in somebody and it develops into more?
Yeah, because
So what are some of the signs then? Because that sounds like something we would need to know. What are some of the What are some of the signs that we should look out for? Like what can lead to more?
it depends on your relationship, you know. For example, if I see something that I'm uncomfortable with, I'd say, JR, I feel uncomfortable with this, and then we talk about why I feel uncomfortable with this, and then we work it out from there. If it is that you see your partner doing something and it bothering you, it don't make sense for you to hold it in, because it may be a misunderstanding, 1, and 2, it really may be something that he is doing or she is doing that really needs some readjustment and some realignment and something.
Or it could just be you
not
too.
right. Yeah.
Could just be your insecurities being projected onto your partner. Could it not be?
No, yeah, man. That's why I say first. You know, it really could be a misunderstanding. It could be really.
But your insecurity is not a misunderstanding.
No, but what happened with our insecurities? So we use our insecurities to color a particular perspective and misunderstand what our partner is trying to do. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Right. So what I'm gonna do is hold it. Some of it here.
I do it.
You're doing it. Some of it here.
I do it.
Yeah. Hold on now.
I'm going to do
Okay. Ready?
it. I'm going to do
I know, Bam Bam, but I have to help you. Some of it here. Do you like it?
Mommy.
Bam Bam, hold on.
Nala,
And then some of it here.
you cannot do it by yourself, okay?
Why?
You cannot do it by
You can't
yourself.
manage,
It's
you're
too heavy.
small, right? Alright, and then I'm gonna do some here. Some here.
Do a close up. This is pretty. Pretty. And now we're gonna follow the cakes to the oven. 2 at a time. Use the 2 hands. What do you think? Balance, girl. You must learn to balance in the kitchen too. Come around. Can you lower the cakes, please?
Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Go, mommy.
Good
go,
job.
Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Go, mommy.
Do a crumb coat. For those who don't know, a crumb coat is when you do, the cake is chilled by the way, because you don't want to do this with a hot cake because then it's just gonna melt the icing. But a crumb coat is essentially what it sounds like. This is the coat that you put that's not for your decoration, but you kind of just want this one to set. Now, just need to take she and put she back in the fridge. Yeah. Don't worry about the messiness. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, darling. That's what this time I like look extras. We don't really, but we just want to be like an extra. Ta-da! Don't watch me watch your TV.
Yeah, this is how it came out. And so it's time to decorate.
For those who know we're fast, I and think I've been throwing things on the ground this time. There's a garbage bin right there. But I just feel like I needed to say it. I'm not on YouTube show this thing, you know.
Not friends and fam.
I know the friends and fam alone watch. You think the haters them now watch?
What's
Big up all the friends them and the fans them and the haters. That's not the word them song. Follow them people, yo. They make you greaters.
So guys, I got my thingies.
What did you do? What was that? Don't you have like a PG audience? No, this is wrong.
Okay. Pay attention to me. Master chef, baby.
Master Chef, you know if mix with the ice.
Master Chef. You know what I watch? I watch a lot of what's that thing on Netflix called?
Nailed it? No,
Nailed-
Sugar
oh,
Rush.
Sugar Rush. And Nailed It is funny. I would enter Nailed It because I feel like I'm not reach Sugar Rush level.
What have I said?
Tune up when I'm drinking.
It's cold outside.
I was wondering, would you go back to somebody who cheated on you?
Go back the door. Go door. What do you mean cheat, Pam? What do you mean?
Step out a relationship.
I'm not gonna be completely honest. I don't know because I don't know what happened. I don't know what my headspace. But if anybody who don't know, so my headspace is chipping on. Yeah?
Yeah.
So I don't know what it is. I don't know what change happened. I don't know where I am in my mental space in terms of where we are in the relationship. Is this a habitual thing? Is this a Derek thing? If it's Derek, no. Now I'll go back to Mr. Jackson. I feel like we're getting too much close with all this talking about him. But yeah.
Yeah, I feel like no woman should be disrespected or anything like that. I feel like if you decide to stay, well, let me talk about myself. If that happened to me, right? It would be dependent, like me staying would be dependent on like different factors, like how it happened, when it happened, what caused it to happen, how long has this been going on, like varying reasons, right?
It's okay, I'll come back. I'm not taking one. I'm sorry. No, no win. The people not say true my name, do what I listen.
Yeah, so me staying in something like that is
Like who, Derek?
not the girl.
Because Derek not ready for a relationship. Derek needs to go back and read the book where you're ready. So you're saying right book?
Yeah.
My thing is the line. Okay, I have a co-worker. Not even a co-worker. I have somebody who works with my company that says he cheats, right? But it's a mutual agreement between him and him significant.
Then
So
is
like
that
he would
cheating?
come to her and say, like him not say, oh you know me to one girl, she name me Yannick. I like her, I'm things that things about one.
Yeah.
So you know the steps.
I can respect that, yeah.
I can too, but I don't know how I would feel.
But
in that
I mean, that's what
situation.
I'm saying. You're everybody sit. Yes, now. Now I'm not making ice cream right now, okay? Alright? Yeah, I mean, is that cheating then?
It's still cheating. It's just
If
that
we
it's,
agree to a
it's
polygamous.
consensual. It's not polygamous. She not in the ray.
So she is not she doesn't have a partner outside.
But I don't know. I only know the gender. You do?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's hope I am the winner. At the rate your mother is precisely the
And
here.
we are taking it.
Uh-huh,
My cake is going to be
Your cake bashment 9:15.
That's why you're going to win. My cake is doing too much.
Mommy.
So JR is gonna judge the cakes. So JR, you're gonna judge for creativity and you're gonna judge for taste. Well, you're judging the creativity first. You don't know which cake belongs to who, and then you're gonna tell us. Alright?
No, in sense, nice way.
Alright. So talk about the cakes.
Boy.
Daddy.
I'm gonna take.
I know a lot is going on right here. Wow. I'm trying to figure out what exactly is going on.
Mm-hmm.
You want this cake for us?
It's creative, but I don't know what's
Daddy,
going on.
Daddy, you like our cake?
This is like a different world.
Yes, I don't know.
This is like a
I don't
it's
know
like
if it's
space. It's
a
like
fan or something, or I don't know.
or it look like a fan.
Or some kind of path leading to
A different world.
the mountains.
Yes, to the mountains. Yes, mountains
Yeah.
of chocolate. Yes.
And the melon chocolate and vintage.
No.
Yeah, this is simple. Yeah. I know what I can say.
All right. So don't say anything else right now. So right now we're gonna cut into the cake, and you're gonna taste it. So keep in mind the one that you prefer the presentation, and then you're going to tell me the one that you prefer the taste. Okay?
Which one I prefer the presentation?
You're gonna tell me it.
It's the summertime.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
So
Let's see the cross section.
this looks like this.
Wow.
That cake. The inside is green and pink. Yeah.
Just Easter, but it's very Christmassy.
Yeah.
Are we not seeing Christmas?
And
Let's
then
look over to. What is this yesterday? Was Middle Earth?
That's not fair.
Middle Earth.
What's not fair?
Middle Earth.
Let's see the cross section.
The cake.
Middle Earth looks bashment like. Jesus God.
Oh wow.
Wow. Yeah.
Yanni clearly doesn't know how to do this properly.
Not at all.
Yes, Nala. You want to taste it with me?
I want to cut
So you're going. You need some water to clear.
No,
your
there's
palate.
milk.
close the eyes.
I want to close my eyes.
Lord, I can't have look expression for your face. I saw you give the people them of YouTube no expression. He's going in for a second bite.
Because the make of the cake, you know,
Yeah, what? If the gentleman the milk, get that if we're ready for your roll, yeah, I'll give
I'm
suggestions.
milk cleanse palette.
No, milk is just to help with the sweetness, to cut it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, talk about the consistency and the texture and that.
When you am so
Talk about you know your jar, don't make you
I
pressure.
just know what taste.
Okay.
Alright. Alright.
So, okay.
Come now, mama.
You got no another one then, like nuts.
No, it's not
Oh,
like.
no. You taste that one now, Bamba.
Which one you want to taste?
Yeah, taste it. Cleanse your palate. Drink
No,
some.
it's not cleansing a palate. It's all it's doing.
Right, and then try the next one.
Does not like the milk.
Taste the other one.
Ready?
You're expert. You're expert judge. Which one you like, Nala?
Which one tastes better?
The pink one.
The pink one.
Pink our favorite color.
I told you.
This one tastes better? You prefer this one?
This one and this one.
Alright, JR, so moment of truth now. Go up to your face now. Moment of truth now. We're talking about presentation first.
Yeah.
So presentation, which one you judge is the best?
This one.
And in taste,
That one.
we tie. Who do you think did what?
Maya and you.
Wow. It's because it was too extra though. I gave myself away. I knew it. I knew it was doing too much, but I couldn't stop. All I was there, I just couldn't stop.
Oh God. See, you're getting taste. Me tell her.
It tastes good.
Let me see. Let me see now. Let me taste it.
Didn't taste good for sure. Let me taste my one. I don't know what mine will taste like.
You like it too once?
Yeah. Let me taste this one.
Yours tastes nice.
It tastes good.
Thank
Let
you,
me
babe.
taste this.
No, we do the thing.
Yeah.
We never do the thing with decoration. But no, yours looks really nice. I got your concept with the melted ice cream. That was good. My cake tastes better for sure though. You just can't help beat chocolate.
this? I do that.
You just can't help beat chocolate.
So guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope you liked it.
The trick is to use all the things that the judge likes.
Don't ask us for a recipe.
Can get a recipe.
You saw what we use. Sprinkle until the ancestors they stop.
Bacon till you smell it a burn.
Be careful.
Bye.
Bye from the cakes. Bye from the cakes. Say bye, Nala.